flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is...
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I got this really quick, super easy recipe for you guys. And you know, I wouldn't dare not share this super easy, quick, under 30-minute recipe with you guys. So in today's video, we are going to be making Rotel nachos. Baby, when I tell you it's everything, okay? So for this recipe, you're gonna need some taco shells. You can get the nachos one, or you can get the original ones. I like that little extra with mine, so I do get the nacho ones. And besides, you can get the stand-up ones, or you can get the regular ones. I like mine to stand up because I'm telling you, it's just better, you know. Just is. No reason why. But anyway, you're gonna need taco seasoning. Yes. That Rotel, you can get the hot, you can get the mild, you can get the original, you know, whatever you want. We got that, you know it, queso. Yes, the queso. Oh, yeah, we got them chopped chilies too. Of course. And lastly, but not least, we got the ground beef over here. Okay, so enough of me talking. Let's just jump right into this video. To start this recipe off, you are going to cook your ground beef, and you want to cook it till it's well done, no longer pink, and it's that easy, that's simple. Okay y'all, we ain't ready to prolong the progress. So after you done ground that beef, you done strain all that excess grease off, you want to put it back in your pan. Yes, back in your pan. And you want to take a can of Rotel, and you're gonna dump that goodness right on over top in there, like so. You're gonna take your chopped chilies, and you're gonna dump that right over in there, like so. And you're gonna take you a taco seasoning pack, and you're gonna dump that right over in there. You're gonna take about a half a cup of water, and you're gonna dump that right in there. And you're gonna give all of this goodness a good stir, a really good stir. After you have mixed all of your ingredients together, you're gonna turn it on medium to high heat, and you're gonna just allow it to simmer for about 10 good old minutes. Once your ground beef has simmered for 10 minutes, you can turn it off because it's done. It should be thick. It should not be watery. If it's watery, then you need to turn it back on, and you need to let it simmer to get some of that water out. But other than that, you're done for the cooking part. Let's move on to the fun stuff. Now we on to the good stuff. For real, we about to get this show on the road. So we done cooked the ground beef. Next, it's the simple. Now you're gonna get your taco shells. And of course, you don't want the broke ones. But don't throw them away though. Do not throw them away. Waste no food. We can just keep those, you know, for later. But you want to take your taco shells And you want to stack them. And you're going to take your Rotel mix and you're going to stuff them. Now that we have stuff down, you want to add your lettuce. You're gonna add your cheese. Okay, yes, this is coming together. Next, which this is optional, which I really like this is pico de gallo, by the way. Oh, it says it on the top. Pico de gallo. I like making homemade pico de gallo, but like I said, it's one of them quick 30-minute meals, and I ain't have time. So you know, you get the next best thing. But baby, put that pico de gallo on there. My God, from Zion. Woo. I'm gonna make y'all want these tacos, but through the camera, cause they just that good. Like for real, for real. Yep. Yes, look at that pico de gallo, you guys. Yes, add a little pico. After you done add all that, you want to take your queso cheese. Yes, honey, this is where the goodness come in at. And you want to warm it up like I did. This is optional as well. And you want to pour it right on top of that. Oh my goodness. Baby, when I tell you game changer, game changer. You see how that just oozes on out? Oh, for goodness. Now, if you want, this is optional, you can add, you know, that good old sour cream, which I'm gonna just put a little dab on top, because we sour cream lovers over here. Look at this, you guys. Pretty goodness. Pretty goodness. that's it, you guys. Quick, simple, and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this 30-minute meal video. Yes, oh my god, so delicious. I'm telling you, family is going to absolutely love it. So do me a favor, if you like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button. And thanks for dropping by. And to my subscribers out there, you already know I love you guys. I truly do. Look at this goodness, you guys. Until the next time, into the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.